So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, what happens if your option contract expires in the money? So if your option expires in the money and you get through the expiration process, you will be going through now the assignment or the exercise process for option contracts. And this also depends on which side of the trade you're on and which type of option contract that you have. But generally, there's only two things that are going to happen. If you are long option contracts, meaning you owned a long put option or a long call option, then you will go through the exercise process automatically with your broker. Your broker will assume that by you leaving the contract on through expiration and leaving it on to expire in the money, that you wanted to either take delivery of long or short stock, depending on what side of the contract you're on. The other side is if you are short an option contract, whether you're short a call option or short a put option, you'll go through the assignment process. So again, the broker will automatically assume that you wanted to be assigned those contract shares because the contract was in the money. And so they will go through the assignment process and then deliver the shares, either long or short, to you as a result of that. Now, as always, it's important that you double check all of your positions as you're heading into options expiration, even the last day of expiration. And make sure that you try to clean up a lot of these positions that are in the money, not necessarily because it's a bad thing to have these contracts go in the money if that's what you wanted, but it often does come with a huge commission fee from most brokers to go through the exercise or assignment process. So as always, hopefully this helps out. If you have any questions, let us know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.